help is on the way! Don't be scared, Bubble. The vacuum won't suck you in. You're too big.
Hi, toys. This is Robo J5. I left my newest invention prototype in the room. Please don't turn it on. I'll show you how it works when I get back. Have a good day.
Program activated.
I think Bubble.
Turned the machine on. Bubble, turn it off.
Bubble, where are you?
Bubble,
Bubble,
Bubble, where are you? Bubble,
where are you? Bubble. Program activated.
look out.
The machine shrunk us too. We must do something.
Look out! The vacuum is coming back! You look for Bubble, and I'll try to call Robo J5. I must call Robo J5. Oh no! I can't push the button! I'm too small now. Goodbye. Goodbye. I have to go.
Bubble, Bubble, where are you?
Where are you?
I see him. He's on the table.
We have to help Bubble get down.
Bubble, look out!
Go, go, go!
We must get to the toy room.
Great idea.
Bubble, be very quiet.
To the car.
We need to get to the phone to call Robo J5. Oops, wrong here.
Go, go, go!
You have have to go faster.
Now I must get to the phone without the car.
The fruits and vegetables are so much bigger than us.
Wow!
Fork! Look out, Bill!
Thanks, Toby.
How are we going to cross to that side?
Wow!
Great idea, Bubble!
Be careful!
Yep, we're very careful. Don't move.
Let's hurry up!
Push! Push! It was so much easier to push when I was bigger.
Hello!
J5, we need your help. Bubble activated the shrink machine and it shrunk all of us.
Oh no! Hold on. I'm on my way.
Watch out! The cat is back!
Oh no!
Water!
I must help them now.
Help! I can't! Help! Thank you, Weston.
We need to get back to the house.
Take cover under the leaves. The sprinklers are on.
Water! These droplets are giant!
Hold on, Bubble! Go, go, go!
Robo J5.
Robo J5, we're here!
Hey! Look down! We're here, J5!
I hope they're still inside. Wait! J5! Wait for me! Guys! Where are you? Oh no! My propeller is bent! How will we get back to the house?
We know how. These beetles helped us earlier, and I think they'll help us again.
Wow! Thank you, Beetles! How are they going to help us?
That's how. That window is open, and ladybugs are flying in and out. These beetles will take us to the ladybugs.
Where are you? Where are you? I see them! I am so glad I found you! We are so ready to be a normal size again.
Thank you, Ladybugs, for helping us.
Program activated. Well, you're back to normal.
This was an excellent adventure!
For sure.